for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Artie. Hello. Guess what? You like art. Let's make some art.
Look down, Betty. We got a great view. Let's help the kid figure out what to do.
Have you ever drawn a tree?
No.
Let's draw a tree today.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh.
Go get brown and green markers.
Yeah.
There's nothing more exciting than Artie's blank piece of paper.
Artie. Should we start? Ready to draw a funny tree?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, little artist, you can draw along with us if you want to. Let's draw a line from the bottom to the top with a little curve at the end. Now let's do another one on the other side of the page, but a little bit longer and with a bigger curve at the end. Bit more curve, Artie. There you go. Make the curve on the left one a bit longer as well. That's it, perfect. Then do a sort of U shape. There we go. Now we're starting to see the branches. Wow, he's really concentrating on this one. Just do little curved lines that form the branches of the tree. All trees have different shaped branches, so you can do any type you like. Nice wavy shapes. Good job, Artie. Connect those together, and probably one last one in the middle there. Yes, exactly. Very nice. Now let's draw little short lines at the end of each branch of our tree. Another one there, that's right. Another one. 3 more. 2, 3. What a great start. We have a nice tree trunk. Now, let's draw the leaves or the greenery on the top of the tree. So draw almost like a cloud shape. A big fluffy cloud shape. Very good. Now the other side. Okay, going to start at the bottom. Remember that sort of cloud shape we're going to be doing. There we go.
This is making me so happy.
It makes me happy as well, Betty. Let's connect the two there at the top. Perfect. Really good. Now let's do the bottom. Connect the bottom with a sort of wavy shape. There we go. Now it's looking like a tree. Oh, are you doing more branches, Artie? No? What? Oh, I see. You're doing arms and a hand at the end. Haha, that's funny. Why not? This is art. We can do whatever we want. Very good. Are you going to do a left arm as well?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers. Okay, well, it is a tree after all. They don't have to have 5 fingers. Joke break? You really want a joke break? Okay.
What did the tree say to the wind? Leave me alone.
Should we finish off?
Okay.
Okay, let's do a face. We'll start with eyes. Let's start with the right eye. Nice big circle. There we go. Perfect. Little dark circle in the middle. That's his pupil. There you go. Really good eye. Is he going to have two eyes?
No.
No? Oh. You're going to do like he's winking. Oh, that's very clever, Artie. I like that. And some eyebrows. Very clever. How about a mouth? Big smiley mouth. What's this? Oh, he's sticking his tongue out. What a funny tree. Colour in the inside of his mouth black. Yeah, that side first. Very good. And the other side. Perfect. Oh, I know, Artie. Why don't we add some lines like the bark of the tree, the texture of the tree? Yes, that's it. Perfect. Just do some thin, slightly wobbly lines going all the way up the tree, and it gives it a sort of texture, just like a real tree is very textured.
This is fantastic. I can't believe he can do that.
Mikey, I say that to myself every day. How does Artie do it? It's looking almost finished. How about some leaves? Yeah, just do some really simple little kisses for leaves. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Perfect. You know who loves to be around trees? Birds. That's right. Let's do some simple birds. Oh, that looks so good, Artie. You finished? I think it looks fantastic.
It's coloring time.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
Considering that was your first ever drawing of a tree, I think you did great. I love that you gave him arms. That's funny. Great job, Artie.
A drawing there, I don't know how, but what you made is super wow.
It is super wow, Mikey. Next time I see a tree, I'm going to think of your funny tree drawing, Artie. Well, let's say goodbye now.
Yay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Join us next time on Artie's Show.